bag. Here we go, Mike91's free box of 12-13 draft prospects that he won as part of the Bash festivities. Alright, good luck. Alright, Josh Hosang, Spencer Martin, Connor McDavid, Roberto Luongo, Matt Dumba, Jordan Subban. We got a base emerald number /50, Jake Virtanen. Jake, oh my god, what the hell did I actually do to my cameras? Sorry, 1 sec. Those weren't even close to being lined up properly. Alright, we got a draft year jersey silver Alex Ovechkin. We've got a teammates dual jersey silver Nathan McKinnon and Zach Fucale. Autograph of Josh Morrissey. Autograph of Madison Bowie. And an autograph of Zach Fucale. So there we go.